Kaui has powerful search capabilities that allow you to search for accounts, invoices, subscription bundles, and other searchable fields. This tutorial shows different ways to search and filter accounts, invoices, and more. To search for customer accounts, use the basic search. Basic search is available at the top of the screen no matter where you are in Kaui. Basic search is also available in the center of the homepage. Examples of what you can search for include account IDs, customer or company names, emails, or an external key. An advanced search can help you find account information as well as other types of objects in the system. These include bundles and subscriptions, credits and transactions, invoices, payments, including invoice payments, custom fields, tags, and tag definitions. To perform an advanced search, click Advanced Search from the home page. In the Object Type field, select the object type you want to search for. In the Search field, enter the identifier ID of the object you're searching for. For example, if you're searching for a specific invoice, type in the invoice number. A list of searchable fields by object type will be provided at the end of this video. We'll say more about searchable fields in a moment. Click Fast Search to skip the search results list and go straight to the first record that is an exact match. Otherwise, click the Search button. Kaui displays a search results list. For your convenience, the following is a list of searchable fields by object type. You can pause the video if you need time to view this list. You can also visit killbill.github.io/slate for more details on search for each object type. You can also visit docs.killbill.io to learn more about Kaui, its features, and configurations.